back to my channel. It's your girl Sylverlistic, and I am back with another video. So I thought, let me show you guys how I will style my hair. I have these crochet locks in right now, these faux locks. So these could be applied to any protective hairstyle that you have, or even your natural hair. And let's get started. Alright guys, so that is the ending of this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!